Hi, my name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's lecture, we will be learning about making offers and responding to them, which is in the 6th unit of our English book. So many times we need to make offers and people offer something to us and we need to respond to them. So this is going to be a helpful class. Let us begin. Let's put the topic, making offers and responding to them. Before beginning with the chapter, what is an offer? An offer is willing to do something for somebody, willing to do something for somebody, or give something to somebody. Give something to somebody. Offer भनेको कसैको लागि केही गरिदिने कि कसैको लागि केही दिनेलाई हामीले offer भन्ने गर्छौं. So we can offer by two ways. First, a formal way, and second, an informal way. First, we will look at offering formally, formal offers. So these are some basic sentence structures to offer formally. Would you like to something, or would you like me to do something, Another structure could be, shall I do something for you, or may I do something? And there could be very possible reply, and the possible replies could be yes. And here are the possible replies. It could be yes, yes please, or yes thank you. It could be yes, that's very kind of you, that's very kind of you. Could also be, if it's no trouble for you, if it's no trouble for you. Now let us look at the examples of formal offers. So I could ask, would you like me to bring the notebook? Would you like me to bring your notebook? And this is making an offer, and anyone could reply by saying yes please, yes please, or simply say yes thank you. You're thanking the person in advance because he has offered you to bring your notebook. Another example, shall I ask the teacher to change the marker? To change the marker, you're asking your friend if he wants the marker to be changed, and your friend could reply by saying yes, that's very kind of you, that's very kind of you. Let me give you one more example using the other sentence structure. May I get you a cup of tea? Get you a cup of tea, and anyone could reply saying yes, that would be very nice. So these are the formal ways to offer someone. Notice that you are using a very polite structure like would you, shall I, or may I. Now let's look at the informal ways to make offers. Informal offers. So the sentence structures could be as follows. How about doing something? Or do you want something? Do you want something? Or can I get you something? Can I get you something? Or you could ask a very direct question just by saying, I'm doing something if you liked it, if you like it. Or I'm doing something if you want me to do. Now here are some replies. The offers can be formal and informal, but the replies are very often the same. So anyone could reply by saying yes, of course, thank you, yes, of course, or yes, thank you, or just by saying that's very nice of you, or simply thank you, thanking the person for the offer. Now let us look at some of the examples of informal offers. How about going out for a coffee? And the reply could be, sure, why not? Another example, can I get you some more coffee? And the reply could again be, yes, thank you. But if the person did not want more coffee, he could simply say, no thanks, I'm done. No thanks, I am done. Let us look at one more example. Do you want me to ask the teacher to be a little loud? And a positive reply could be, thank you, that's very kind of you. Thank you, that's very kind of you. Or you can reply just by saying, if it's no trouble for you. However, a negative reply could be such as, no thanks, or simply, no, that's fine. We are to the end of our class, the lecture today. So let us revisit to what we have done till now. We were looking at making offers and responding to them. And first of all, we learned what an offer actually is, that's willing to do something for somebody. And we have learned that offers are of two types, that's formal and informal. So formal offers, we use the sentence structure using would you, shall I, may I. These structures are formal, they are used formally, so they are the formal offers. However, the reply is same for both formal and informal. फर्मलमा हामी would you, shall I, may I यस्तो एकदम पोलाइट स्ट्रक्चरहरू युज गर्छौँ किनकि हामी फर्मल भइरहेछौँ. रिप्लाई हाम्रो एउटै हुनसक्छ. Yes please, yes thank you, that's very kind of you, if it's no trouble for you, thank you मात्रै कि त that's fine. यो चाहिँ दुवै अफरमा हुनसक्छ, फर्मल र इन्फर्मल दुवै अफर्समा युज गर्न मिल्छ. तर फर्मल अफर्समा चाहिँ we tend to be more polite. अलिकति अरू पोलाइट हुनुपर्छ, त्यही भएर हामी एकदमै पोलाइट वर्ड्सहरू युज गरिरहेछौँ. would, shall, may जस्तो. Now here are some examples. Formal offers को लागि examplesहरू. Would you like me to bring your notebook? Shall I ask the teacher to change the marker? May I get you a cup of tea? These are the formal questions and the replies are very simple. Yes please, yes thank you, that's very kind of you, that would be very nice. So you'll say reply, as I said earlier, formal, informal, दुवैमा same हुन्छ. However, the questions may differ, the offers may differ. Now the informal offers, we are still polite, but we do not use very polite words. Just say we tend to be more direct. Okay? How about going out for a coffee tonight? Do you want to do something like just notice the structures? How, do, can I, these are more informal type of writings. Also, there is a different structure where we do not ask a question as such, just as in this structure. It could be, I'll do this writing for you if you like it. So that's an offer, but it's an informal offer. So the replies could be yes, of course, yes, thank you. That's same as in the previous offer structure. And finally, we have the examples of informal offers. That's how about going out for a coffee? Can I get you some more coffee? Or do you want me to ask the teacher to be a little loud? These are the informal questions because we do not use a very polite words, but we are not being rude at the same time. And the answer is just the same as the formal offers. This is all we've planned for today's class. If you have any suggestions, any questions, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.